how to create and set up Telegram wallet. So if you want to create and set up the Telegram wallet, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Telegram application and then go with the upper right which has that search, and you need to search for wallet. Once you've searched, now it will take you to this kind of interface, right? So what you need to do is simply tap on start, which is on the bottom. Once you tap on start, now you will have this kind of post in front of you, which will say that wallet in Telegram is made for crypto. You can start using crypto in Telegram. So over here, in order to create your Telegram wallet, you need to tap on the open wallet button. After that, it will show you the pop-up of terms of use. So simply tap on I agree and then tap on continue. And here you will have a lot of options on the bottom. So make sure that you've selected the wallet option and then tap on let's go. Once you tap on let's go, now here you will have your wallet. Your wallet has been created successfully. But once you have created your wallet, the second thing you need to do is to secure your Telegram wallet. So in order to do this, you just need to simply tap on the gear icon, which is on the upper left. Tap on the gear, and here on the first you will have show ton space beta, right? And here under the wallet you will have show ton space beta. So simply toggle it on. Once you toggle it on, now you need to go back, and here you will have ton space beta and tap on start exploring ton. Tap on it, and here again tap on start exploring, and here you will have two options. So go with backup through email, and then you need to enter your email address. So enter your email address and then tap on continue, and you will receive a code to the email address which you have just entered. So simply go with the email, and then you just need to enter the 6-digit code, and that's it. Your wallet has been successfully backed up. Now go with view ton space, and here you will have your wallet. So in this way you will be able to create and set up your Instagram wallet, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.